Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Faisal Habibuddin. Welcome back to my video. So in this video I would like to explain you guys what is UI and what is UX. So to put it simply, UI, or we could also say user interface, is what users look on the surface, what users interact in the surface, what user would interact with the surface. For example, buttons and colors and maybe some light. And as for UX, or user experience, is basically an overall experience, an overall of user experience with the usability and functionality of some things. So I will give you 3 examples. For example, this thing, as you can see here, is it's an earphone. So the UI is that you can look, there is basically a light that indicates that this earphone is working. This earphone is still working, and you don't need to charge it yet. And another look, if you could see it, there is a light reflection right over here. It also indicates that this is a feature, because if there is nothing, if there is no functionality in this, like some mirror in this, why adding it? Like, so the functionality of this mirror right here is actually to maybe pause something or skip it to the next videos if you're watching YouTube or etc. And the UX is, or the user experience with this earphone, is it is very easy to use. It is very easy to put it in your ear, and it's very slim. It's not heavy, and yeah, so it's an earphone. And then for the second example, this thing, if you know this, of course, this is the case of the earphone. So when you look at it, first of all, I think you couldn't see it. There is a little dot in the middle. So when you charge it, the light will come on. The light will there will be a light that indicates that the charging is successful, and if the light comes off, or if there is no light, it indicates that the charging is not successful. And of course, there is the charging hole. So this is the UX. And for the user experience, as you can see, it's small. This thing is small. It don't take much space, and if you open it, there are already a hole that indicates where you could put the earphone. And I think maybe you couldn't see it, there is actually a letter here. So this is L and this is R. L means right, and R means right. So the user would know where to put their left earphone and their right earphone. And then for the second, the last example is I'm choosing this mouse. So this mouse, when you look at it, it's very beautiful, it's very elegant, and of course in the bottom of it you could see there is the optic lens, and then there is the on off. When the user see this, the user always immediately thinks that this thing is for on and off, for turning down for turning it off, and up for turning it on. And for the user experience, this mouse is very compatible, it's very comfortable. As you can see, it is perfectly aligned with my palm, so it's not too small that your palm have to be like this, so it's just perfect for my palm. I think that's all I can say. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.